Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Going to the lodge. Hey, we're going to the lodge? No, that's not for you. No, Island wants to row already. Come on.
Alright. Step on the seal.
We made it, guys.
Yeah.
Gonna head on to the island now. It's been a long trip.
A long trip, no man.
Long and draining.
Oh my goodness.
Hot and sweaty.
For real.
It's all of it, eh?
Thank you. Naga. No, I'm speaking.
Who's singing this? J Boo. Hey, bye.
Hey, again. Like it, Baba?
Yeah.
Look,
Baba. We didn't forget none, no?
Hula! Hula! Hula, guys!
Hula!
Hula! Hula! Stay right there, don't move. Yeah, it blows off.
Hey, you liking it? You go for a swim?
Yeah, it's windy.
Okay, once again, guys, don't forget, my name is Ben.
Ben.
Yeah, and my friend there is Aku.
Hi, Aku. Bula.
From Brazil. Okay? For your snorkeling area and your swimming area, you can see the black part there.
Yeah.
So like you're snorkeling, don't come for the house, okay? Put the boat across here. Okay. You're snorkeling, so you can see some people there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you walk on the
Okay.
As you can see, that's the one neighbor resort.
Wow.
And white roof there. And then under the beach, there's a tea and a coffee shop.
Okay.
Over that period from in the afternoon.
Okay.
Tea and a cake.
Okay.
Coffee, cake.
Can we fish on the island? Like fish.
Diving or fishing line?
Fishing line. Yeah.
Good fish here?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
good.
Where you from? Where you guys from?
Oh,
We live in Australia, but I'm from Jamaica.
and I'm from Argentina.
Yeah.
Oh, vizinha. Brazil.
Oh, Brazil! Ah, nice.
Your neighbor.
Yes, is it abracado? Yeah. No, it's okay. ¿Habla español?
Hablo más
Un poquito.
portuñol.
Bueno. Very good.
Vocês são de onde? Da Argentina?
From From Argentina? De parte?
Che parte?
En Córdoba.
Córdoba. Depois de Rosário.
Sí, sí, exactamente.
Pero mais assim, Salta, mais ao norte, Salta.
Mendoza.
Mendoza.
Ah, qué bonito.
Conheço muito a Argentina.
Sí.
Já fui até Ushuaia de carro, do Brasil.
Ah, wow, Ushuaia.
Desci pelo Atlântico, subi pelos Andes.
Sí. Wow.
Beautiful. This look like Jamaica. The water just look exactly.
¿Nunca fuiste a Jamaica?
Não.
Não?
Jamaica, Caribe conheço Punta Cana só.
Ah.
Não conheço, quero conhecer Kingston.
Kingston, yeah,
Kingston,
capital.
Jamaica.
Capital, sí.
Mas não conheço. Não conheço
Ah,
Jamaica.
ok.
Cuba, quero conhecer Cuba.
Yeah. Cuba.
Cuba.
Ah, bueno. Yeah, close, Cuba, close.
Close.
Yeah. Beautiful, very nice. Wow. Yeah, reminds us of Jamaica for real. Very nice,
Nice
eh?
temperature.
Yeah.
Nice temperature.
Ready for a swim.
Yeah, it's cool.
We're here, guys. We're just about almost battery.
I think they're welcoming us.
Almost done.
Hola.
Anchorage? Alright.
Look at all the coconut trees.
Wow. Look, Island, you have a friend there. A little friend. Yay! So pretty. Hi. You, Mr. Fisherman, ready to jump out? Guys, he's ready to jump out. Oi! Yeah, you want to go? You want to go play with the boy?
Hot.
Make a friends. Yeah.
Hey, you wanna feel the water?
Want to feel? Oh, he
Water
wants to
nice.
swim already. Come back this way? Yeah, okay then, no problem. Thank you. Okay. Island, come naman. Island,
Island.
come. Let's go. Island.
Like the island of Fiji.
Island boy.
Excited, Bobo?
Wow. Bula.
Maria.
Yes, hello. Maria, Tyrone and Island.
Hola.
Island. Hola. Got a cell. Okay, Josh, you have to. They'll take you to your room now.
Okay.
Another one, eh? Okay. And Jorge,
Binaka?
Butoke. Josh, where's your luggage? This is.
Wow, look at the service, guys. Very beautiful. Oh yeah, we.
I'm from Brazil.
Wow, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Absolutely. Oh, they even got one.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Island,
Island.
Island, come naman.
This way.
Oh, Jorge.
This one?
Jose?
Joseph.
Yeah. Later.
Island?
Iyo.
Island boy.
Tapi sana ko itong tayo, nagkakaroon nito may.
Okay.
So, Jose, is that all yours?
Come today.
This yours? This yours too?
Yes, yeah.
It's gonna be, if he doesn't understand.
Vinaka, thank you very much. Oh, wow. Island, look. You can play with your friend after. Come inside. Wow. This is lovely. Yay!
Yeah, we were waiting for you yesterday.
Yeah,
That was so lousy.
our flight was last night, arrived for today.
Oh,
So we just
Canada?
no, Australia.
Australia.
Yeah, Australia. So we my husband's originally from Jamaica.
Right.
I'm from Argentina, but we live in Australia.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are first time in Fiji. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for
Weather was
hosting us.
so rough and windy and stormy yesterday. Lucky we have this one today.
Lucky, very good. This
Okay,
is
I'll
good.
show
Yeah,
you
show
your
me.
room.
Yes.
Your light switches are here,
Okay.
inside
Yep.
and outside also. Outside door.
Beautiful. Wow.
Your fan switch is here. Yeah, if you want more speed, you just handle it here.
Okay.
And there's a minibar fridge here. If you want to use it, just switch it on.
Okay.
And toilet and shower, you'll have to use the cupboard.
Wait for silence.
This is amazing. Oh my goodness, where's the toilet and shower?
You have to use
You
the
have to use the cupboard, he said.
I don't understand. Oh,
cupboard.
Wow.
oh, it's so tucked away.
Wow,
The
this
light
is
switch is right here.
amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh, guys. Wow. This is really nice. We recommend people to come and visit the Nabua. How do I say it? Nabua?
Nabua.
Nabua Lodge, guys.
And,
Nabua Lodge.
I just want to brief you a little bit, a few things.
Yep.
Water in your room is only for shower, washing.
Yes.
Drinking water, we store drinking water close to the dining room. We'll show you. You can just fill up your bottle.
Okay.
You can even chill it here. Also in the bar we have water, soft drinks, beer, wines, snacks.
Okay.
In the bar you just have to write it down, whatever you want to take, and then clear it before you leave. And power, we are powered by solar.
Oh, wow.
And, even right now we are on solar. Yesterday also we had to stop power time and again because of the sun.
Yeah. Because no sun. Yeah, it's been raining.
On normal day we'll have power all day until about 4 o'clock, 4:30.
Yep.
We close it until 6.
Yep.
Just to store the power in the battery and bring it back at 6 for the whole night.
He loves it here. Look at him. He's running around already. Oh my goodness.
Island.
Island, come here. We go for swimming soon. We're going to go for a swim.
And that's a power, then you will have it whole night.
Okay.
Beautiful.
And on daytime, we'll stop it at 6 as
Yeah.
the power is going down.
Yeah, we don't really use much power, do we?
No.
At night,
And you
really
bring it back
hardly.
at 7 for the whole day.
Okay.
Your
Perfect.
outlets are there, you can use it.
Oh.
This, that's a main building. That's dining.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Dining, office, bar,
Yep.
everything. Yeah.
All right, guys, we're finally here. We're settling in. Island is being a pain because he wants to go swimming. It's hot. As you can see, I'm dripping sweat right now. Reminds me of back home, obviously, you know, or well, back home as in back in Jamaica. And we're just absolutely loving this right now, guys. You know, it's a beautiful place. Like, just a little view for you all, you know, definitely. And
I love it.
the cupboard, toilet, bathrooms in here, so crazy, absolutely beautiful. Island. Island, we're gonna go swimming right now. We're gonna go eat first because they made us lunch already, babes. We gotta hurry up.
Yeah, I'm just trying to load this off so
Okay, so guys, we're gonna close this one up for now. It was a pleasure. Thanks, guys. If you reach this far in the vlog, you guys are awesome, and we will see you guys very soon.
We'll be showing you the whole of this island and everything.
Whole of this island.
The whole experience.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.